when you feel it's hopeless.
Hello everyone, I would be sharing with you today a very quick and easy cut crease peach eye makeup look. Highlighting crease line seems complex, but I will demonstrate how to get that crease highlight easily. This seems difficult, but you'll know how to do it quickly. I'm using a very small palette and picking this eyeshadow. I'm packing this eyeshadow using a pencil brush. I would be covering only half crease. Move the brush in circular motion for smokiness. Next, I'm using this brown eyeshadow. I'm packing on my other half crease and outer V. Keep moving here for smokiness to appear. Merge both the eyeshadows well, crease eyeshadows. Next, I'm picking this deep brown, deeper than the previous eyeshadow, and packing on my outer V. Blend it well with the first brown eyeshadow. Move the brush in circular motion. Next, I'm creating half cut crease. I'm using Pro Art concealer brush to cut my crease. Be very careful. Pull only the mid concealer towards outer V to blend it with outer V. Next, I'm using the shimmery peach eyeshadow and packing on my eye mid. I'm pushing towards outer V to blend it with outer V. Next, I'm using this eyeshadow and covering the remaining space here. Push it towards the mid eyeshadow to blend it with mid eyeshadow. Now I'm highlighting my crease line using liquid eyeshadow. I'm using liquid eyeliner wand. The tip here is to place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand. Clean excess in the wand. There should be nothing below. Place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand and begin applying. This takes considerable amount of time. Be patient here. Take little liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand and begin placing on your crease line to highlight your crease line. This is a time consuming step. This makes your eye makeup look very beautiful. Practice multiple times and you'll be able to do it easily. And it's done. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm using liquid eyeliner from Insight. Link to this eyeliner along with other products is in the description box below. If you're interested, please check them. Next, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Keep the pointed inner corner point sharp. Next, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using Color Bar Kajal. Next, I'm applying first brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Don't go for deeper brown. Pick the first brown and begin smudging here. The kajal should seem smudged and the traces of the brown eyeshadow should be visible. Next, I'm applying mascara on my upper eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes while coating mascara on them. When you're coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, hold the wand vertically. Lastly, I am highlighting my brow bone using silver foil from Swiss Beauty, link to which is in the description box below. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.